test drive the 2021 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.